No. Yeah.
我记得他做的菜。
Hello.
Hey. Kind of weird being close to traffic that's going this fast.
The dam.
Look down there.
Hey, Jara, where are we? I said, hey, Jara, where are we?
Son abogados, doctores, plomeros.
It's kind of weird watching them.
I honestly haven't been to the Hoover Dam since I was little. I don't know why I haven't came out here in a long time, but it's honestly so pretty. My family all the way down there. I was taking selfies, you know. Jer, I dare you to run up that. Look, she got a head start.
I said, did y'all hear how much people were just breathing?
Mm-hmm.
She had to call on the name of Jesus when she hit the sidewalk and saw the car. So what are we doing? Also, we gotta hurry because no pedestrians after dark and the sun is setting.
Oh.
It says it on that sign right there.
Oh.
Right there. Right, with yellow one.
What?
Someone dropped their hat down there.
You know the amount of stuff that's probably down here?
Wow.
Yep.
Whoa.
I see two.
No pedestrians after dark, and the sun is setting. If you see water flowing in the spillway, you're witnessing an historic event. Honestly, water hasn't spilled from that thing in years.
What it says?
The 1983. Oh, 93 cents a gallon.
So Holly, if you see water right here, it's a historic event. That means it's way too much water. Water is spill over in here.
That's not happening.
I don't know.
It feels really good out here. You can see it, but it says right there Nevada time, and then right there is Arizona time. Because you cross the state borders, the Hoover Dam, it connects it.
Yes, you are.
You.
The insulin goes back in the fridge. There's the dam, guys.
Jessica, go with your phone.
The Hoover Dam's on the Nevada-Arizona border. So,
I made a wish in the Grand Canyon. Don't know if that's illegal. If it is, don't cover my neck because I didn't know. For those of you guys who don't know the Grand, never heard of it, never been here, or aren't an Arizona or Nevada native, so where the little white line is actually where the water originally was at. And this is where it's at now. So you can definitely see the big level of water that's been drained from here. It's actually really scary when you get to thinking and talking about it, because we're running, when they say we're running out of water, we're literally running out of water. It originally was for Vegas, but when California went to the drought, they took the water to use for them, and they just have been using it ever since. So that's why we have no water. Thanks, California. There it is, guys, the Nevada time. I can't believe, like, the amount of water that's just gone. I don't know how many clips I can get of the same thing, but it's honestly just so beautiful that I don't care. Sorry, guys. We're going to see the, oh, okay, so there's statues over there. Oh, that's a real person. In memory of our fellow man. Here I am, right here. As soon as I walked up.
Ought to rely on its own virtue. The motto of the United States, "E pluribus unum," out of many one, is inscribed on the scroll held in the eagle's beak and refers to this union.
Sorry if the quality starts to get really bad. The sun's setting, so the lighting's not that good right now.
Peace and war. Power solely vested in the Congress. And the constellation of stars breaking through a cloud
The ground
symbolizes the
has
new nation
all the
taking its place on the
constellations.
sovereign power.
See, it feeds 5.
The colors have specific
What feeds 5?
White, vigilance, perseverance, and justice. The official plaques and motto of the 7 basin states that share the Colorado River provide a perch for the eagle to rest. Also included on the monument is a large marble compass. It depicts the 12 signs of the zodiac and indicates magnetic north from Hoover Dam.
It is fitting that the flag of our country should fly here in honor of those men who, inspired by vision of lonely islands, were made fruitful, conceived this great work, and those others whose genius and labor made that vision a reality.
A whole bunch of like undertones off.
Oh, I'm sorry, Carolina.
J.W. Hansen. This work of art was designed to honor the accomplishments of the building genius of America. In the same way the pyramids represent ancient Egypt, or the Colosseum represents Rome. At first glance, one is usually drawn to the massive flagpole that proudly displays the American flag and the banner of the Department of the Interior. At the top of the flagpole, 142 feet above the you see
California,
ball.
Utah,
The ball points to the center of our sun
Arizona,
on September 30th, 1930. The timing for creating the celestial chart, according to the artist, was that he believed that someday, somehow, future civilizations would find their way here. And with no other means of communicating, might look upon this monument and determine the exact date on which the engineers and craftsmen of our culture completed it.
This is so neat. I definitely don't remember all of this as much from when I was younger, but
to assist these future visitors, the sculpture also created a celestial watch, or wheel of time. The yellow arc on the floor is actually a
this nighttime view is really nice. And honestly, kind of reminds me of Puerto Rico in an odd way. Is today the day?
It is the day. Due to high demand, we are ordering 3 chicken sandwiches per customer.
Per cut, all right.
Oh, there's no money either. Congrats, it would have been quicker, but
That's good.
come on, Holly. Come on, your hair.
Baby. I just washed my hands and his little nail is
Carolina
caught in the
approved.
blanket.
And she got kidnapped twice by the same
What do you think?
Tracy,
I missed that
1
part.
out of 10.
Who was messing with who?
I have to eat a little bit more first.
Younger than I am by 2 years each. Karen's the middle child. Susan's
Oh,
the
maybe I
baby.
should have warmed it.
And I
It's okay.
was, definitely the big sister, the bossy one. My sisters and I really, we were really good friends. I mean, we played together. We had a good, just what I consider normal childhood, just real free and
The hand.
we lived in Hotel Idaho. We had that type of neighborhood that you never lock your doors. Always open.
I like the skin.
See, that was the key, Carolina. That type of neighborhood they lived in.
And so we would all sleep out in the sun on Saturday. And one night, I remember waking have just, gotten uncomfortable and